Hello everyone, this is Chris with the K and welcome back to another episode of the Mobile Web Secrets. Today we'll be covering a mobile web version of Photoshop called Pixlr. Right now what you are seeing is Pixlr loaded up on my mobile web browser, and let me show you a quick tutorial on how I can remove a background from an image in less than a minute on Pixlr. First, we will tap on the Open Image button to access our photo libraries on our phone. And I have just downloaded a product image online, and this is how it will appear on Pixlr. So what we'll be doing next will be to remove the white color background from this product image. And the tool that we'll be using will be this scissors icon at the bottom called the cutout tool. And the specific tool we'll be using here, right, is the wand called the magic cutout. And what it does is by tapping on any of the background colors, it will remove magically all the colors that are similar to the color that I've just picked. And with just two simple clicks, I'll remove the background entirely from the product. And right now, I have a product image with a transparency layer at the back. This will allow me to use this image for my website or even use it with another app to create a social media post. So next, I'll be able to save the image, right? And over here, remember to save the image as a .png file because that is how you'll be able to preserve the transparency layer. If you save your file type as JPEG, you automatically fill up the background with a single color, right? And then that defeats the purpose of us removing the background. So this is all you need to do to remove the background of your image. And if you find this useful and would like to see more video tutorials on what you can do on Pixlr, leave a comment below and remember to subscribe to my YouTube and turn on notifications to stay tuned for my next video.